There are three main affiliate networks out there that most affiliate marketers use. They all have their pros and cons, and depending on where you're at as an affiliate marketer, there's a clear answer to which one will suit you best. So let's go over the three of them and you'll be able to understand which one you should go with. Platform number one is ClickBank. ClickBank is the OG platform for affiliate marketers. They've been in the business for over 25 years, which is a very long time for an internet business. This means they are as old as Google. They were both founded in the same year, in 1998. Since they've existed for so long, this means that they have the broadest selection of products to promote out there. They have over 3,000 offers you can promote. For comparison, Digistore24 doesn't even have 1,000. Signing up to ClickBank has no significant requirements, but depending on what country you're from, you might not be able to sign up. There are many countries in Africa or Asia from which you cannot sign up. But besides the country issue, anyone over the age of 18 can sign up and start promoting products as an affiliate. Or if you have your own product, you could become a vendor. Post your product on ClickBank and get people selling it for you. The website is fairly intuitive to use. To see all the available products to promote, you just have to go to the marketplace. By default, it will rank everything from the hottest products right now to the lowest. A metric some people consider important on ClickBank is the gravity score, which is some sort of equation that takes into consideration how many people are promoting the offer, how many products are they selling, for how much is it selling, how much traffic are they getting, their conversion rate, and some other variables. Some people take this metric very seriously, but I wouldn't recommend taking gravity too seriously. It's not that good of an indicator on what should you promote. What you need to focus on is the average payout of an offer, its ranking position, and if you like the offer or not. The main difference between ClickBank and the other platforms is that ClickBank mainly focuses on a revenue share model. Revenue share is a payout model where vendors split the revenue with the affiliates on a percentage basis. This takes into account everything that the customer will buy, from the initial product to the upsells, downsells, and even recurring revenue. So for example, if you're promoting a product that sells for $100 and you have a 75% commission on sales, you would get $75 of that initial sale. But then if the customer buys $150 on top of that worth of upsells, you would get paid $187.50 in total. Revenue share can be a lot more profitable for affiliates in the long run than other models. But there's a big caveat here, because the word share goes both ways. In the revenue share model, affiliates share the sales, but also they have to share the refunds and chargebacks. So for someone starting out, revenue share can be a high risk, high reward thing. But for someone more advanced, it's probably better, as it tends to allow you to make more money at a larger scale. ClickBank usually pays out your affiliate commissions once a week, and their support team isn't as good as the other platforms. Now with platform number two, MaxWeb. MaxWeb is probably the most beginner-friendly of all. They have a great support system, and they'll assign you an account manager with whom you can talk about anything. They'll help you even select products, to get in contact with the vendors, and give you all the information and tools you need to promote any offer you want. They don't have as many products as ClickBank, but the catalog is still quite extensive, and most of the offers are very similar. The interface is better than ClickBank, and you can filter more easily with important data, such as the EPC or conversion rate. EPC means earnings per click, which is the average you can earn from each click you get. This is one of the most important metrics because it tells you both if it has a good conversion rate and if the payouts are good. Once you know your costs of traffic, you can do quick math with it to see how much you could earn. ClickBank doesn't offer you this data. A big difference from ClickBank is that MaxWeb doesn't operate as a revenue share platform. They do what's called a CPA. So cost per action is an affiliate revenue model where vendors pay a set amount in commissions to affiliates per sale. So for example, say an affiliate sends one customer over to one of their top products on MaxWeb. This particular offer sells for $60, but it also includes 3 upsells totaling the order to $150. Whether the total order value is $60 or $150, the affiliate will always get the same amount, no matter how much money the customer spends. The good thing about CPA model is that you will not be affected by the refunds. Once you're paid, that's the end of the story. You'll keep all the money. This allows you to make more accurate predictions on how much money you'll earn, and it makes it easier to scale your ads as you can accurately calculate your profit margins. And platform number 3 is Digistore24. For those of you who don't live in one of the quote-unquote main countries, Digistore24 might be the best option. You can sign up from any country, and it has the most flexibility of all when it comes to payout methods to receive your commissions, one of them being PayPal. It also has the longest cookie duration of up to 6 months, meaning if someone clicks on your affiliate link and they buy within the first 6 months, you'll still get the commission. Not everyone who has a product is able to get it into ClickBank because they have many requirements set up in place, but almost anyone can get started on Digistore24 as a vendor. This means Digistore24 can be a good platform to find hidden gems and great offers with massive potential. This also means less competition with other affiliate marketers. Digistore's tracking is more advanced than ClickBank, so it will be easier to read your analytics and data and gain clearer insights into how things are working out for you. Digistore24 offers both revenue share and CPA models, so it's up to you to choose which one you prefer. So with all that being said, here's the conclusion. If you're a seasoned affiliate marketer with some experience, go for ClickBank. But if you're starting out, MaxWeb or Digistore24 might be a better option with less risk.
Now, you can try to figure out how to make money online on your own, but if you want to go straight to the right answer and learn literally the best method that exists out there as of right now that's helping complete beginners go from $0 to $1,000 a day without any previous experience, click the link in the description to sign up for this week's free workshop and you'll learn how you can start earning a sizable income online as fast as possible. So click the link in the description now.